and moss. Wow. Got a good rock in here. Good rock up here. Ah, this is so cool. Okay, that might kill me. Might die. Might die in there. Look at that log. Look at this rock. Wow. Oh, wow. You guys hear it? Very cool. Whenever I get to a new spot, I always want to be on the other side. Yeah, look at that rock. Place this has the water running over it, so I'm trying to go to the ocean now. Super cool. The plate at the top has a lot of color on it too. This is cool. Wow. Nice untouched sand. Weird puddle. Let's look over here. Nice steps. Right? Get up here. Look how smooth it is. Nice. It's a beautiful day in the real BC. Thanks for joining us here in Mad Dog Mountain Arts, the West Coast. Cool. Stagnant. Look at all that bank. And the Forest Service Road up there. Nice trees. Bank. There you go, bank. I just want to run now. Just want to run. Oh, nice sand. These ones are green. That's cool. And those ones are red. Nice. Right, climb up and go over there. Let's go over that way.